Cannot fix it since wala me money, so maong ang nag ano na lang ko. That's why I'm just doing this for wait. That's why I'm just accepting the fact that it will be difficult for me to move on. Move on from what? Move on from things that I'm hurting. Pero like, ano kayo mag-love sa ako? Ngayon, ano ko mo? If magduol mo, ano siya kapangit. I have some up here. Talaga na kay I don't know why wala sila nag-heal sa akong gibutang na salicylic acid. That's why they are there. And my teeth, as you can see, yellow na siya. But dili lang obvious. What the heck? This is what I look like. Diba? You can really see naman talaga na hindi ako sweatiness tapos na yung mga I have dimples. Bye-bye guys. Very soon.